Hi everyone. Today I will be discussing our project, the Axel House, which is across a plot area of 9,100 square feet, located right here in Vatagara town of Calicut district, Kerala. My name is Vinay Mohan from VM Architects, having office at Kerala and Karnataka. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from buildify.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. The Axial House exhibits a simple and elegant model that stands out unique from the neighboring conventional style of architecture. The facade showcases a contemporary style of architecture by the use of clean horizontal and vertical lines. The proposed site was a narrow rectangular plot facing south. For an effective utilization of interior spaces, considering the context and the climate, an axial planning concept was developed. The interior spaces are designed in such a way that each area gets its own privacy depending upon the functionality. The basement floor could occupy 5 to 6 cars at a time. An open plan for interiors is achieved by reducing the internal walls, and customized grill partitions are provided for separating different functionalities. The guest living is separated from the private family spaces and is provided with a double height interior landscape court adjacent to it. Perforated clay blocks for the wall and clay tile for roof reduce the amount of heat entering inside and maximizing the air circulation throughout the interiors. Large windows in passage and family spaces opening towards the interior courts gives a great visual treat for the users. The staircase area is well lit with natural light by skylights above, which also enhances the square patterned design done in plastering and highlighted by the textured paint finish. The dining and family living directly opens into the private landscape court, which is featured with swimming pool, temple lamps and vertical garden, thereby giving a classic touch to the space. Continuous air circulation is generated by providing louvers along the side walls. Roof with a combination of clay and transparent clay tiles at different levels not only add a great sectional value to the space but also creates a wonderful play of light and shadows. The bedrooms are visually connected to the landscape court through bay windows. The first floor occupies 4 bedrooms, a living and other utility spaces, all overlooking the double height interior courts below. One gets to enjoy the detailings of roof above the pool area from the upper floor of this house. The curved wooden bridge to access the open terrace in front is designed to hold plants which hangs to the court below. The kids' bedroom has a unique design for the bed with a hanging seat attached to it. Large windows with indoor plant area brings in the nature inside and is well secured with grill design outside. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.